Hello, this is James from Today's English. Today we are talking about hangovers. Sammy, do you ever get hangovers?
Yes, all the time. I like drinking, but I am a lightweight. This means I get drunk very easily. If I drink, I feel very sick the next day. Why do we get hangovers?
There are a few reasons. Dehydration. Alcohol makes you go to the bathroom a lot. Your body loses water. Toxins. When your liver breaks down alcohol, it creates a bad chemical that makes you feel sick. Poor sleep. You might fall asleep fast, but the quality of sleep is very bad. Stomach acid. Alcohol makes your stomach produce more acid, which causes nausea, feeling like you want to throw up.
I agree. One time when I was a student, I got so drunk that I fell asleep on the grass outside my apartment. It was 4 a.m. Luckily, it was summer. If it was winter, I could have died from the cold.
That is scary, Sammy. You need to be careful. Also, alcohol makes it hard to focus and gives you a headache.
I know. If I mix different types of drinks, like beer and whiskey, I always throw up. No medicine helps me when I do that.
So how do you try to feel better the next day?
I take a hot shower and try to sleep. I also drink a lot of sports drinks, like Powerade, because they have minerals that help more than plain water.
I heard that some people eat greasy food, like pizza or burgers, to help a hangover. What do you think?
When I lived in America, my friends and I always went to McDonald's or Taco Bell after a party. It was cheap and open late.
Wait, how did you get there? Did you drive while you were drunk?
Well, in the countryside in America, many people drive home after drinking. We didn't have taxis or drivers to hire like they do in Korea. There was a lot of peer pressure. My friends made me feel like I had to drink to be cool. It was hard to say no.
Sammy, that is very dangerous. Please never drive after drinking. You could kill yourself or someone else. When I was in high school, some of my friends died in car accidents because of drunk driving. It is very sad.
You're right. One time I blacked out. I woke up in a place and didn't remember how I got there. That was a big warning sign for me. Now I try to drink much less.
I'm glad to hear that. Hangovers are bad, but drunk driving is much worse.
How about you guys? What do you do when you get a hangover? Let's talk about hangovers and drinking culture.